right, here's full speed for sure. It's a windy morning, so I'm in a dugout filming the intro to this video. But today I'm out here with the mechanical speed monster. This is my vintage Traxxas 4Tech 1.0, and the only changes from today versus 2 days ago when I ran it is I have fast eddy ball bearings in here. We're going to see how much faster the bearings make this car. Just a quick review, it's still running the stock mechanical speed controller. There's full speed, controlled by the servo here. And I have a Traxxas Titan 12-turn brushed motor in here, and Kimbrough 66-tooth spur gear along with a 41-tooth pinion gear on foam tires. And during today's speed runs, I'm going to be running two different Liperior endurance batteries. One is a 5200 and one is a 6500 mAh LiPo. These aren't the fastest batteries in the world, but they're pretty good in this brushed car, so we'll see how fast they can go. And maybe one day I'll put my more powerful 2S battery in this car, but I have to change connectors to make that happen because it's set up for the Bandit, where it goes nearly 80 miles an hour on 2S. Let's see what it can do. The GPS is zeroed out and reading. Having a tough time keeping this thing straight, and I'm not certain that was really the top speed, but let's see what we did. All right, 39.2 miles an hour. I'm gonna have to give it another run. All right, here's full speed for sure. All right, there we go, 42.1. I'm gonna go ahead and try one other battery, but this is the same one I ran last time, and I'll put in the I'll put down below how fast it went last time, but it was, I want to say 41.8, something like that. Traffic here than I was hoping for. I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace. 37. Gosh darn it. Well, that's it. This thing is just not controllable. There's so much traffic today too. I just can't get a clean run. And that was not a nice crash right there. I gotta find my GPS. Got a little bit of yard sale out here. There it is. 42.9 miles an hour. So this thing is a little quicker with the bearings. I'd say we're looking at about a mile an hour or so. But I really wrecked it bad this time and cracked the body. I've been meaning to reinforce this, but I just haven't got around to it. And It's unfortunate. This thing was a really nice looking body, but not so much anymore. This car is just too hard to control. I cracked the body, I crashed it several times, and I think part of that is with the mechanical speed control, there's only 3 speeds. There's slow, pretty slow, and then all out. So what's happening is it's going from like maybe 15 miles an hour to full throttle instantly. I think the tires are actually spinning, and that's causing the car to slide around a little bit. On top of that, it's also twitchy. And on top of that, there was so much traffic on that road. There was a sports game getting ready to start, and it just totally threw me off, and my driving suffered because of that. I was, real edgy. So I guess next time I'll put some taller gearing in here. First thing, I need to reinforce this body. It's a shame. It's a beautiful body, but it's not real thick, and I don't want to completely ruin it. But I'm going to try to fit some taller gearing in here. The options are very limited because the adjustment where you can move the motor is just so small. It's wedged in there, and it doesn't allow you to do much in the way of adjustments. It's just you can barely get the mesh right if the gears are like exactly the same size as what I have in here, or of course the stock gears that were in here. But I might have an option that works that's even taller, probably in 32 pitch instead of 48. So I'll go ahead and do that. Maybe we can nudge this thing up to like 45 miles an hour, but we'll see.